Fuck recipes and you're a better cook than you think. Listen, the world's ending, inflation's rising, and you're gonna need to learn how to cook. So let's learn how to make a salsa. Salsas are really simple. You start with either a tomato, in this case a tomatillo, make a salsa verde, whatever fruit you want, and then you're gonna add some basics. Herbs, salt, fat, acid, aromatics. Herbs in this one, I'm doing cilantro. Don't be scared to deviate, go basil, go parsley, go whatever herbs you have in your drawer and get rid of them. Salt, I'm using sea salt here. Fat, I'm going olive oil in this case. Traditionally, salsa doesn't really have any fat, but you can definitely add it. And in this case, I think it just works better. Acid, going with a little bit of lime juice. If you don't have citrus juice, lemon or orange or grapefruit, use a vinegar. If you don't have a vinegar, find something else that's acidic. Pickle juice. Aromatics, I like to go garlic, onion. Shout out white onion. You're gonna wanna avoid like the yellow onions. White onion is always a bit nicer when you're making a salsa. It's a bit fresher, a bit sweeter. So in this case, I'm using tomatillos. I'm gonna add these ingredients and then I'm gonna blend it really, really thin. And just to show you a totally weird preparation, I'm gonna put it over some cooked rice noodles, add a little toppings, and make it into some sort of cold pasta salad-y thing. Let's make it.
Yummies. Can you feed me?
Finally, a little bit of crunch in this case. I'm gonna use crumbled tortilla chips. It just kind of works really well when you're using a salsa and you're putting it on anything. I just like it, so try it. You wanna leave your salsa chunky? Go for it. You wanna blend it pure? Go for it. Do whatever you want. Just experiment, play around with it, balance it out. Salt, fat, acid, heat. You got this.